peace, love, gratitude, positive vibration. Say that which you want in your experience. The heart is the third chakra, the middle chakra, the green gate. This chakra is all about love. Why is the heart chakra important? The heart chakra is not only important, I think it's the most important. I think it's the most important thing. Why? Because that is where love resides. I think the heart is a key to living a great life. Here we can open our hearts to love and others. Open our hearts to receive love and to receive others. Love is one of the greatest tools we can use to make our life better. Because that which we give, we also receive. It pays off to be a kind, loving person. I have had nothing but great things come my way. When things happen to you that seem unfortunate, it is your job to make sure that you get the lesson that it was meant to be learned. Give love and you shall receive love. Some people have their heart blocked, so they have a hard time giving and receiving love. Never let a past negative experience affect the present. But loving others is one step. You must also love yourself. When you understand everything is energy and vibration, you see that everything is worth loving. Let's try a visualization technique. Close your eyes. Breathe in and out. Several times. Just relax. Say inside your head, I am loving myself and everything around me. 3 times. I am loving myself and everything around me. I am loving myself and everything around me. I am loving myself and everything around me. Do it longer if you feel it's necessary. Visualize your heart. Visualize your heart. See your heart. And see a ball of unconditional love surround it. Breathe in, breathe out. Unconditional love and white light. See it get bigger. It gets bigger. It's expanding. It's loving everything around you. Thank you for giving more love to the world. Remember, only your opinion of yourself matters. There's nothing that can't be done if you believe. All you have to do is believe. Peace. And remember, you can have it all.